The next set of features I'm going to talk about in Google Documents are in the Publish tab, all the way over on the right. And there's two options in Publish. You can publish it to the world, basically, and it'll be available on the internet. And when I do this, they'll give me a URL that it'll be available at. And anyone who goes to that URL or links to that URL will be able to see the document. So if you are going to publish, you'll probably want to automatically republish when changes are made. So, well, let me publish it first, show you how that works. There you go. So when I automatically republish when changes are made, if I make any changes, obviously they'll just show up from this URL right here. So now I can send this link right here to anybody I want who would like to see, I want them to see the document. And then I also have the option of republish document. That's if it automatically wasn't republishing when changes are made. Maybe I want to make the changes and then go over it and then republish it. I would have to come over here and manually do that. And then I can stop publishing it if I no longer want it to be public. The next option is posting it to your blog. And they have a lot of blogs that this works with. And if it's a hosted provider, here you've got Google's Blogger. You can also choose from Blog Harbor, Blogware, LiveJournal, Squarespace, and WordPress.com. And if you have your own server, you can click on here, and you'll want to choose the API that you use right here. But if you're just like on a hosted like this, you'd want to enter your username and password, and then the blog ID or title that you want it to go to if you have multiple blogs under a username or password. And then you have just one option here, include the document title when posted, if it's supported. And then you could go ahead and post it, or you could test it. So these are just two ways you can publish your document to the world, basically. And maybe if you want to publish a whole bunch of documents and maybe let your friends or family see them all in one place, it might be a good idea to start a free blog with a service like Blogger, which is run by Google, so you know it's going to work well with your Google Documents. So that's how you publish a document.